Guys, Animal Con, malapit na! August 23, 24, 25 at the SMX Convention Center sa Mall of Asia. Magkakaroon tayo ng biggest and best pet event in the multiverse, ang Animal Con PH 2024. So this is the second year that Manalo Canine will be supporting Animal Con. Ano yung first tayo, bronze sponsor tayo doon. Ngayon, silver sponsor pa tayo. Nag-level up tayo ngayon kasi nakita namin napakaganda talaga ng event na to. Last Animal Con, we were able to get many new customers, many new friends sa animal industry, and we were able to expose our products there like SDN, the best dog food in the multiverse, by the way, Super Dog Soap, Super Dog Shampoo, and our pet registry, all animal registry, the IAGD, the International Animal Genetics Database. So, ito lang po yan. August 23 to 25, pumunta po kayo doon. We'll be doing a canine demo. We'll have free dog training consultation. Meron po kaming iba-ibang mga products doon. We'll be giving samples. Nandun po yung team natin. Please look for our booth sa Animal Con and you'll enjoy the days talaga na nandun kayo. You'll see so many animals from fancy chickens, exotic animals, fishes, dogs, cats, etc. So we hope to see you there. Animal Con po yan. Malapit na.